I'm going to remove the carburetor now. The accelerator cable's already out. This little gizmo is through what the accelerator goes. And you lock it into here. Okay? I'm going to set that down. Set it down that. Now, there's a couple little pipes in here that are supposed to be glued in there. Otherwise, they leak. So I'm going to come back to leaky carburetor issues later on. Now this is a Solex 3031 picked. Hard to see. Oh, especially hard to see if I don't have the camera on it. Sorry. This is 3031 picked. Alright. Now listen up here and here. And that carburetor should be able to come off of there. I don't know why this is here. I need a intake manifold without that.